Hello everyone, let's learn how to fix activity status not showing on Instagram. If you've been wondering why your activity status isn't visible to others, you've come to the right place to learn how to fix it. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open Instagram app on your device. Next, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the side menu, then you need to click on First Option Settings and Privacy. Now you need to scroll down to find Messages and Story Replies. After that, click on Show Activity Status. So when you click on this button, you are enable activity status, but if you didn't have this button or this button can't turn on, you need to try this method. So you need to uninstall Instagram app from your device, then go on Play Store or App Store and download last version of Instagram with all updates, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.